Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Cash App with the Lyft app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay for your rides on Lyft using Cash App. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Lyft, then click on New on the bottom right-hand corner. Then scroll down and click on Payments. Next, scroll down and click on Add Payment Method. Next, click on Cash App. So next is going to redirect you to Cash App so that you can connect Cash App with Lyft. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Cash App with Lyft. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.